What's up guys, Reggie here, back again with another video. Thanks for tuning into the channel. Today, I have a camera comparison between the Elephone P8 and the Pixel 2. And I know this isn't really a very fair comparison given that the Elephone P8 is only 250 bucks and the Pixel 2 could be argued as the best smartphone camera on the marketplace today, but we just want to ask the question, does paying that premium really get you that much more quality? Let's get into it. Hey guys, so I'm out here at the park. It is a beautiful sunny, windy sunny Southern California day. You can see that I'm on the front facing camera of the Pixel 2 and the Elephone P8. So let me know how the quality is and what you guys think. Looks like on the P8 it's quite a bit washed out, kind of blown out, pretty bad. We're on the same mount, so there should be no physical difference in how I'm holding the devices and stuff. So let me know how the stabilization is doing and how the audio quality sounds. So just pan around really quick so you can see different lighting conditions. Now we're going to jump into the rear facing cameras at 4K at 30 frames per second. Alright, so now we're here at 4K at 30 frames per second. Just by looking at the viewfinder, looks like everything is a lot better on the P8 compared to how it was on the front-facing camera, liking the colors and stuff. But so I'll just pan around really quick and you can see how it does with different levels of exposure. Looks like the P8 doesn't like that. Well, to correct, the exposure levels on the P8 was blown out for a while. No worries though. Okay, so I'm just gonna walk around really quick. You can see how the stabilization is doing. We know how the audio quality is on the Pixel 2 and the Elephone P8. I'm gonna do a quick autofocusing test. I'm gonna focus up on this tree. There's the Pixel 2. Here. Adjusting the exposure levels too, like that. Okay, so here's the Elephone P8. Focused in. I just tap, make sure it's focused in. So right now I'm having some focusing issues with the P8. There you go. Okay, so now it's working pretty good. You can see how the autofocus does on the Elephone P8. We're walking around here at the park. Beautiful sunny day, it's about noon. And let me know how the stabilization is doing. P at 30 frames per second. The Elephone P8 has EIS, and I have it turned on right now, so let me know how it's doing. Both of the phones are on the same mount, so we're doing this in the most scientific way that we can. Let me know how the audio quality is and how the exposure levels look. Just gonna do a quick autofocusing test. So here's the Pixel 2, autofocusing on the tree, back out, tree, and then back out again really quick and changing exposure levels and autofocusing. Very good. So here's the Elephone P8, focusing on the tree, and then I don't know if that's focused or not. Tap the focus. That didn't really look. So here's the P8, tree. Okay guys, so I'm here at the park. It's nighttime and it's super dark. The only lights that are available are the baseball field lights, so it's a low light situation. We're just gonna walk around a little bit and you can kind of see how the stabilization does and the audio does in low light conditions at 4K at 30 frames per second. So both of the devices are on the same mount, and just from looking at the viewfinder, it looks like the Pixel 2 is a lot brighter. So we'll just do a quick autofocusing test. Here's the Pixel 2. And then here's the Elephone P8. Focus in on the tree. Focus out on the tree. Focused out. Not bad. We'll jump into 1080p at 30 frames per second. Okay, so we're here with the Pixel 2 and Elephone P8 at 1080p at 30 frames per second. Let me know how the video quality is on both of the devices. So it's definitely low light conditions here. We're only illuminated by the park lights of the baseball field. So some trees, so you can see the color in the trees, exposure levels, how does everything do, how does everything look. I'll go ahead and do a quick focusing test. Here's the Pixel 2 up close on the tree. Looking out. And so here's the Elephone P8. Elephone P8. Alright guys, so now I'm on the front-facing cameras of the Pixel 2 and Elephone P8. Let me know how the colors look and how the exposure levels look. How is the image quality, and what do you guys think of the colors? Just looking at the viewfinder, it looks like the Pixel 2 is very warm. Very warm. And the Elephone P8 looks pretty saturated. Nice greens, super saturated. Very clear though. Definitely like the colors better on the P8. So, very interesting. Let's go ahead and just pan around and we can see the different, how it does with different exposure levels. Looks like there's some frame rate loss on the Elephone P8. Just walk around really quick. So I'm just out here. It's pretty late, almost like 8 p.m. here at the park, doing my low light test for the Elephone P8 and the Pixel 2. So that's it for me. Let me know how you guys think they both did, and I'm really curious what you guys thought. Did the Elephone P8, could it hold its own? And if it doesn't compare, do you think that it performed well for a $200 phone, or did it perform better? Did it meet your expectations or exceed them? Let me know what you guys think. And that's it for me. Thanks for watching, guys. My name is Red Jew, and I'm signing out. Till the next video. Peace.